Hi guys, it's me Ali, and today I'll be trying. This might be like maybe a lot of you guys have tried mom تكون
Cheese chop.
cheese chopsticks. Okay, and I'm gonna try it with the sauce too first. I'll try it without, then with, and then I'll rate it. There's a lot more videos coming of New Asia, and yeah, I'm in New Asia. Imagine. So much better than I thought. Now it's time to try with sauce. That's even better. This is so good. See you guys in the next New Year's video. Bye.